Today, I'm going to show you how to create dragon's blood. To make our dragon's blood, we will need 1 glass bottle with a cork, some light corn syrup, a cup for mixing, a plastic piping bag or Ziploc bag, and a spoon for mixing, scissors, red and blue food coloring, a hot glue gun, and I have loaded mine with a black hot glue, some optional dragon charms, optional chain or twine, and our label printed on sticker paper, and the link for this is in the description down below. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take our cup, or I'm using a beaker, and then we're going to take our plastic piping bag or Ziploc bag, and this is optional, but I just find that that really helps to get your fluid into the neck of your bottle without getting it all messed up and things like that. So we're just going to put that over top of our cup like this, and then we're going to fill it with some of our corn syrup. Then we're going to take our red food coloring, and I am using gel food coloring. It's a little more concentrated. I feel like it gives you a stronger color. And we're going to put a decent amount in there and mix that up. Once you get a nice saturated red, then we're going to add a couple drops of blue just to make it look more like blood. Make sure to add just a little bit at a time. You can always add more. You can't take it out once you've put it in. And once it's completely mixed and you have your desired color for your dragon's blood, we can get ready to put it in our bottle. And before I fill my bottle with my dragon's blood, I want to go ahead and embellish the neck here with some of the chain. So I have chose chain. You could definitely use twine or ribbon or nothing at all. But I thought the chain was a nice little nod to like chainmail, and it gives it a different look. It also matches my dragon charm I'm going to go ahead and put on the top. So to do that, I'm just going to put a little drop of hot glue and attach the chain, and then I'm just going to wrap it all the way up and again put another little drop of hot glue. And now that I'm basically up to the top, I'm just going to, again, add a little drop of glue. And it's okay if we're not all the way up to the very top, because we're actually going to drip some of our black hot glue down, and it's going to cover up any little imperfections in the top of our chain. Okay, so now that my chain is around the neck of my bottle, I'm going to go ahead and take my blood. So all I did was pull the piping bag out of the beaker, and I'm just going to cut the very end of this off. And then I'm going to put this inside the neck of my bottle, and I am going to squeeze my blood in. And once we have our dragon's blood filled up, we're going to go ahead and cork our bottle, and then we're going to start to use our black glue gun. And while the glue is still a little wet, we're going to take our dragon charm, and as you can see, I removed the little ring that was on the top that would have gone around a necklace, and all we're going to do is place it in the top of our cork. Okay, and then to finish our bottle off, we're going to take our label that's printed on sticker paper, and I like to go around the outside edge with the matching marker, so I just went around with a black Sharpie. And all we're going to do is pull the backing paper off. And we are going to adhere it to our bottle. And once we get our label on, there you have it. Our dragon's blood, curated by Albus Dumbledore, since he was the one who's credited with discovering more than 12 uses for dragon's blood, one of which is apparently cleaning your oven. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This will be a great addition to our potion prop collection we've been making along the way. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.